We just arrived at Lawson's Landing. It's about 5 p.m. right now. The sun already set. We're unloading. We're gonna be camping out here for just one night. Anything? Nope.
Yeah.
Oh. Saying you're all wet already?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Deep over there.
Why you go so deep?
Because me and Nathan was gonna get the crab.
Did
You need to buy one too?
No. She said she's gonna wear her boots, so I didn't know she was gonna go play in the water like that.
It's okay. They put this no, this one.
Nathan, you're supposed to angle towards the ocean like this.
See, look, this one too.
Oh, it's coming out. It's a big crab.
Oh.
You flip it the wrong way. You're supposed to do this and pull it this way like this.
Maybe?
It should have came up with it if there's something in there.
I saw something. What is that? A shell. Oh, it's right there. Got it.
Oh, what is that?
Ew. What the fuck is this? Look at that. What is that?
This is ocean. Since you guys got your fishing license, I'm guessing you go trout fishing with us.
I don't eat that though.
I wouldn't eat either, but
I only go fishing for things I eat.
we just go fish for fun.
For what?
Wait, did you bring our fishing license? Oh. As long as you have it on your phone too. We don't have it on our phone. And then where you put the paper plate? Put the ball there.
Without a concerned meter.
This is what I think Ming made us last time when we were hanging out at their old house.
Yeah.
Last night we did not catch any crab, so we woke up early this morning to test our luck again. Unfortunately, after a few casts, we did not catch any crab and decided to just go home.